Hello everyone and welcome to the channel PinkCoffeelove. And this video is about how to make a YouTube channel step by step. So you type on your browser www.youtube.com and you click sign in and you go create account, personal use. Then you don't forget to create a new email. First you put your name that you want for your account. Doesn't mean it has to be your actual true name. Then you choose a password. You can put letters and numbers. You can all use caps lock to make more safe. After you pick your password, you click next. Then you can choose to put a phone number or recover email, your gender, but you don't need to say what gender. You just pick if you want it. It's free. I'm not using the phone right now. I will put it later. So I'm putting another email just in case I lose the account and I want to get it back. Then you put your birthday date. Then you click next. I'm going to click the first step. Then you scroll all the way down and you confirm. Agree. I agree with YouTube. Slow loading. And that's how you create your first YouTube account. Create channel. Here you can upload the photos, your name, PinkCoffeelove. Okay, everything is correct. Click create channel. And that's done. Pink Coffee. The channel is done. That's all for today. Don't forget to leave your like. Love you. Bye bye.